Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model, GG0732S, in color code 005. It's a black-brown color frame. On the temples it has a Gucci logo. This frame is made in Italy. The lenses are a brown color. And they have the Gucci logo engraved on the right lens. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.